The available blind spot information system, BSI, issues an alert in the side mirror on the affected side when the system detects vehicles approaching from behind in adjacent lanes, enhancing driver awareness. The system works when your vehicle is moving forward at about 32 kilometers per hour or above. The alert zones on each side initially extend from about 0.5 meter to 3 meters from the sides of the vehicle and about 3 meters past the rear bumper. As the vehicle is driven more on straight roads with traffic and roadside objects, the system will adapt and extend the alert zone up to 25 meters back. The faster vehicles are traveling in the extended zones, the farther away they will be detected. If you use the turn signal in the direction of a detected vehicle, an audible alert will also sound to further warn the driver. If you'd like to turn off the BSI system, first press the safety support switch to the left of the steering column. Depending on the model, roll either the left or right selector wheel on the steering wheel until the BSI symbol is highlighted in the instrument cluster and press in. A check mark next to the BSI symbol will go off, and the symbol will change from green to gray to signify that the system is off. The BSI system will remain off until turned back on using this procedure. It's important to remember that the BSI system has limitations. Always check your mirrors to the side and behind the vehicle before changing lanes. The system may not work properly when sensors in the rear bumper are covered by dirt, mud, snow, ice, or when operated in bad weather. For more details on this feature, see your owner's manual. And to learn more about other features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.